Good day, learners. It's another beautiful day. Let's start with learn Hindi in just 10 days. Learn every day, grow every second. So, Hindi is the national language in India. It's not recognized legally with constitution, but does believed to be national language. And also, Hindi is spoken with 80% of Indian population. Let's go with a very introductory part. Before that, I request you to please do follow, like, and subscribe to the channel to get to learn more and grow more. Let's start with introductory part. So if you want to introduce to someone, so you can start with greetings. Greetings are very common. You be in India or in abroad. So here we do say a common word would be Shubhodaya. Shubhodaya means good day. We'll start with introducing with your name. Before asking the opposite person's name, it's better we introduce with our own name. So we'll start. मेरा नाम Faiz है means my name is Faiz. Mera means mine. Naam means name. Faiz. Your name? है. My name is Faiz. That's it. और मैं इंडिया से हूँ. I am from India. You can tell your own origin. मैं. Our here means and me. मैं. मेरा नाम. I am from India. और मैं इंडिया से हूँ. Next. You'll ask the opposite person. आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? और and कहाँ? Where? से हो? Where are you from? और कहाँ से हो? It's very simple. We'll start over again. मेरा नाम, your name, tell your name, है. My name is so and so. और मैं इंडिया से हूँ. I am from India. आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? और कहाँ से हो? And where are you from? That's it. To introduce, it's a very formal introduction. Later, you need to learn parts of speech, which is blood and soul to any language you speak. So let's start with parts of speech. In parts of speech, as in English, we do have noun, pronoun, article, adjectives, etc. Here, we do have everything too in Hindi. So nouns are very common. I'll eliminate noun. So believe you got one thing, noun. That's it. So pronoun to represent pronouns, there are several pronouns which are different from region to region. So language is slightly different from one region to other region. So let's start. So we'll introduce like how to say my. My means I. How to say I? My. You can tell hum as well. When some people in Bihar or some other part of India do respect themselves too, so they'll represent themselves as well as hum. Hum. मैं I. वो वे वो. You can represent O to younger people, younger than yourselves, or it's also a plural form. वो वे is a plural form. They, it's also represented for they as well as to address youngers. Sorry. Youngers. Young people than you, I meant. So, wo, ve. Ve is not addressed for younger people. Wo is only addressed for younger and to represent plural form. They. Wo. Okay. Hum. Hum means you can represent yourself as well as to crowd as well. We. It's a we form and respectable you. respectable self. Okay, so hum is we. Hum is represent mostly to represent we. Let's see how its representations go. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. I am eating food. वो खाना खा रही हैं. As in I said, it's also represented to they, respectable form as well. वो, she is eating food. She is eating food. It's continuous verb, present continuous verb. वो खाना खा रहे हैं. वो, as in I told you, you can tell वो खाना खा रहा है to anger, and वो खाना खा रहे हैं. They are eating food. Or you can tell both in respectable form as well as to represent youngsters younger than you, the youngsters who are younger than you. So हम खाना खा रहे हैं. We are eating food. As in I told you, hum is also formed to represent to self-respect as well. हम खाना खा रहे हैं. You can tell with respect by giving respect to yourselves as well. हम खाना खा रहे हैं, or it's a we form, we or respectable self form. Respectable self. Okay, so it's very simple. Let's start over again. My to represent yourself, I, my, I. वो, वे, they, or to represent younger ones too, youngers who are younger than you. Hum, we, respectable selves as well. Hum is represented to the crowd as well as to represent yourself with respect. हम जा रहे हैं, हम खा रहे हैं, हम खाना खा रहे हैं. Here the same thing, मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. When you normally speak, I'm eating food. वो, same thing with respect. In some part of India, as in I told you, Bihar or some other places, people do respect self as well. So they say हम खाना खा रहे हैं to self as well. वो खाना खा रही हैं. She is eating food. वो खाना खा रहे हैं to represent crowd. वो खाना खा रहे हैं. They are eating food. वो खाना खा रहा है to represent youngers. हम खाना खा रहे हैं. We are eating food. As in I told you, it's hum is a plural form too, and to represent self too. हम खाना खा रहे हैं is represented in both forms. Good day, learners. I wish you good luck. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.